So I decided to buy myself this Champion sweatshirt. So this is a men's size large and it's all black, which is really nice. So let's try it on and see how it fits. I'm traditionally a size large. I'm 6'5", 185 pounds. So let's try it on. So first impressions, the material is really nice. It has a very soft kind of fleecy, felty inside. So it actually fits perfect. The hood is really nice and tight so it doesn't flop everywhere, which is wonderful. It has these drawstrings here, which I like, and pockets. And then for length, it fits really well. It's the perfect length, as you can see, covers the shirt. And the sleeves are right on where they should be. So as far as a sweatshirt fitting, I'd say it's a perfect fit for a size large if you're my dimensions. However, if we did wash this and dry it, I'm sure this would shrink and be too small. So it probably is something you'd need to wash on delicates and hang dry, just something to keep in mind. But overall, I really like this as a good solution for a sweatshirt.